Okay, I want to discuss multiplication of matrices, some theory, but few questions are left. Only one question is left in the odd numbers. Okay. Look at 21 on the screen and let us just finish that. I think we completed 19 in the morning, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us just finish the 21 and then I'll discuss some theory about multiplication of matrices.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 21. 1 minus 2, 3. I think I don't have to find anything here. So let me not is it about, yeah, I may have to find out. No, I don't need to find the answer. I'll tell you. The order of matrix A is 2 by 3.
2 into 3, sir.
Yes. So whether they're asking whether AB exists or not, BA exists or not, or they equal or not.
Okay. AB and BA do exist, but they're not.
Yes.
But they are not equal, sir.
Yeah. AB exists and order. What is the order of AB?
2 cross 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 into 2, sir.
2 cross 2.
Yes. BA also exists.
3 cross 3.
Order is 3 by 3.
3 into 2. 3 cross 2.
Obviously, AB is not equal to BA. Okay, both exist, but they are not equal. Just write that much.
Sir, what will be the order of BA?
What is BA order? 3 by 3, na? Why? Because first B, next A, this is 3 by 2 order, this is 2 by 3 order. Number of rows here, number of columns here are same, but the final matrix order is always this. This is 3 by 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all. Just write this much, leave it. Okay. Now, till now I did not tell. I told you how to multiply two matrices, but I did not define it exactly what it is. Okay. Generally, when you want to multiply two matrices, it is written like this. Let us say AB is equal to C. They write Cij, and let us say this is M by N, this is N by P, and this is finally M by P. Okay. You don't have to write, only just listen. Okay. Cij sigma Aik into Bkj, where k is changing from 1 to n. That means Cij is Ai1 into B1j, Ai2 into B2j, Ai3 into B3j, so on up to Ain into Bnj. Okay. Anyway, now we are more mature, I'm sure, but still, if I start multiplication of matrices with this definition, some people will think, what is all this? Okay. So that's why I told you how to multiply. Now let me explain what is this. Let's say I have a matrix with m rows, first row, second row, mth row, first column, second column, third column, and nth column. I have matrix B, which has n rows and p columns. Okay. So first row, second row, nth row, first column, second column, and pth column. So let us multiply. I got a big matrix. Okay. Let us say I want to know, let us say third row, second element in this, the final matrix. If you want the element here, what you should do? First row here, first column here will give you this. How will you get this element? First row here, second column will give this. How will you get this element? First row here, third column here. How will you get this? Second row into first column. How will you get this? Second row into second column. How will you get this? Second row into third column. That's why I want to find this. So what is that I want to find? C23. You have to take this second row. You have to take this third column and multiply. You will multiply something here, something here. Can you tell me what is this and what is this? This is A, this is B, this is C. So according to the notation that we learnt about Aij, anybody want to tell what is this and what is this?
A21 and A23.
B?
B2 by 3. B2.
Wait. This is, you are saying A, second row, first column, na?
Yes, sir. A21.
A21 into what is this?
B13.
B13.
B1.
Correct? Yes. What about the element here and element here when I am multiplying? What are they?
A22. B23.
Yes. Let us say I have something here and something here. What is that?
A23. B23.
A23 and B2.
The third row, third column. 3, 3. Okay. Right. Okay. Let us say I have let us say very last element here and a very last element here. What it will come?
A2n is equals to B
N3.
Nth row, third column. Yes, correct. So now you see carefully. In the final matrix, when you want second row, third element, you are taking second row here, third column here. You can always see 2 everywhere here. Which 2? Because this is 3, you will always see 3 everywhere here. You will see 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, finally n and n. Correct? That is exactly this definition or this definition. You see, if you want ith row, jth element in the final matrix, okay, it should be I here, j here, I here, j here, I here, j here. And one time this will be 1, one time it will be 2, one time it will be 3, finally it is n. This one only they wrote in sigma form where this I is fixed, this j is fixed, but this k and this k are variable and they are going to vary from 1 to n. Substitute 1 there, that product. Substitute 2 there, that product. Substitute n there, that product. Sum of all that is sigma. Okay, so right in the beginning, if I tell this, it may be scary for some people. But now we've done enough questions. I just explain slowly like this, so you can somewhat relate to it. Are you able to relate to this definition or this definition now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please repeat it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, and I'm sure you are quite happy that I did not discuss this definition in the beginning of multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please repeat
Yes,
the
sir.
question.
I'll repeat anyway. I'll erase this and again repeat it. Okay, so if I have 2 matrices, they need not be of same size. Purpose I will take it down. This one like this one may be like this, and the final one may be same number of rows here, same number of columns here. Okay, something like this. Okay. So I have, let us say, some 4 elements here, some 4 elements here. Here some 4 elements, here some 4 elements, here some 4 elements, here some 4 elements. Okay. Now this, let me stop with 3. This will have something here, something here, something here, something here, something here. Okay. Let us say I want to find this. First row, third element of the final product. First row, third row. Then obviously I have to take the first row here and the third column here, that will be here. If I call this as A, this as B, and this as C, what I am looking for is C13. First row, third element. Okay. Let me write here C13. But how did I achieve that? I am multiplying this with this. But what is this? A11. First row, first element. What is this? First row, third element. That will be B13. Next, I have to multiply this one and this one. What is this? A, first row, second element, A12. And what is this? Second row, third column, B23. Next, let us take this one and this one. This is first row, third element, A13. And this is B3. Next, this one and this one.
A14.
Yes, A14. and B1.
And B4, 3.
B4.
4.
Yes. Yeah. Now if you see, when you wanted first row third element of the final product, because one is here, you will see one here, one here, one here, one here. Because you will take the first row here and you will take the third row here. If you are taking first row, you are going to get all elements for A is 1. Because you are taking third column here, you will always find 3, 3, 3. Okay. What is this? These two are equal. Both are 1 here. Here both are 2 here. Both are 3 here. Both are 4 here. And that refers to, this is order 2 by 4. This is order 4 by 3. This 4 and this 4 is exactly this final maximum 4. Are you able to relate to it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now if I take this as Cij, the final ith row, jth column of C, if I want, I have to take ith row here, jth column here, multiply corresponding ones. So I have to take Ai1 into B1j. I have to take Ai2 into B2j. I have to take Ai3 into B3j. And similarly Ain into Bnj. If provided this order is m by n, this order is n by p, this n is at final n here. If you want this, you can write it as sigma Aik into Bkj, where I is fixed, j is fixed, but k is varying. How? From 1 to n. That is Cij. That is the definition. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Practically in the
Sir, how
question,
will I read it, sir?
nothing. Sigma Aik into Bkj is equal to Cij, k equal to 1. Sigma k equal to 1, Aik into Bkj. That's it. Is it okay?
Sir. Okay, sir.
Nobody will ask this definition or we use in the questions as such, but it's required to know because this is what we used and done the questions. So it is easy to explain how to do multiplication than how to write it as a definition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll come to this point in detail, but I want to ask two things. Later on, in some other situation, it is very, very useful where not just two matrices are given, you have to multiply and get the final answer. No, it is reverse. There is a huge matrix. Somehow we have to write it as product of two matrices. It is reverse. All right. Every year when I teach, I ask this question. Sometimes I'm a little careless in asking. So one time I asked in one question in the class. This is A plus. Anyway, I'll give purposely an easy question so you can identify this. Okay. There is a huge matrix. Okay. AL plus BM plus CM. AX plus BY plus CZ. AP plus BQ plus CR. DL plus EM plus FN. DX plus EY plus FZ. DP plus EQ plus FR. This is M. GL plus HM plus IN. GX plus HY plus IZ. GP plus HP plus IR. Okay. This is not the question. This is like answer. I want to write it as product of two matrices, two 3 by 3 matrices. I want to know what is this and what is this. As soon as I finish this question, one student told the answer. Okay, you know what is the answer he told? He write this matrix here and write here identity matrix. Yes. Identity matrix and anything is that. I don't want that. So that's why I correct the question. Correct?
Yes,
okay.
We write this, sir.
Yeah. In the class notes only write question. No number as such. Nothing should be identity matrix. Sir? Identify what is this, what is this.
Sir, once can you say the second, third column, first row, sir, element?
AP plus BQ plus CR.
Sir.
Okay, I'll read it for you just 1 minute. AL plus BM plus CN. AX plus, sometimes I write x and n alike, so you have to just bear with me. Ax plus by plus cz, ap plus bq plus cr. dl, this is d. dl plus em plus fn, dx plus ey plus fz, dp plus eq plus fr. This is glhmin, gxhyiz. This is gphqir. Yes, somebody got the answer. Yes, Kashi, tell me.
Sir, first row of the first matrix.
Wait. Sarat Chandra offered me first, I should ask him. Yes, Sarat Chandra, tell.
Sir, the first matrix is first row ABC. Next row is DEF.
Okay.
Next is GHI.
GHI. Okay.
And the second matrix, first row is LXP.
I think it's better to tell column. Can you tell first column?
First column is LMN. Next column XYZ.
XYZ. Okay.
Next PQR.
Okay. Okay. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very easy to identify. Okay, I would have given a little tougher question, but I wanted to give you this. Okay, so now any one of you, I'm sure many of you wrote the answer. Any one of you want to give an explanation how you could get idea to write like this?
Sir, for the answer matrix, first element is the product of first row and first column, sir.
Yes, correct. You're right.
In that way, we should do for every element, sir, then we'll get it.
Yeah. You almost expressed it. I want to be a little more precise, that's all. Okay. You are clear. Just what you are telling can be a little more clear for others to understand. Anybody else want to express it same thing or? Yes, please.
When we do the multiplication of matrix, first we take the first row in first matrix and we multiply with the columns in second matrix, no sir? In answer of the matrix, there is A, B, C are in common, no sir?
Yes, A, B, C are common where?
In answer matrix, in first row, sir.
Yes, okay, that's what I want exactly to say. Yes, you're right. But your video should be on.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So basically what it is, first row into first column will come here. First row into second column will come here. First row into third column will come here. That means these elements you should see here also, here also, here also. Anything that you see in the first row, 3 elements here, 3 elements here, 3 elements here, they must be the first row here. Anything that you see common here and here and here, it must be the second row here. Anything that you find common here and here and here, that must be third row here. Anything that you find in first column common, some 3 elements here, same 3 elements here, same 3 elements here, they must be first column here. Anything you find common here, 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 that must be here. And anything that you find here, 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 that must be here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what. And I don't think this is a unique answer. I'm sure we can change the answer slightly. Okay. That I'll put a minus here, minus here, minus here, minus here, minus here, minus here. Do you think the answer will change?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let
Sir,
me
it won't
do.
change.
Yeah. Let's say I'll put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, by 2 here, by 2 here, by 2 here. The answer will change?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
the answer is not unique. Okay. So if I multiply 2 matrices, the answer is unique. But if I want to express one matrix as product of 2 things, I think there will be thousands of ways to express it. Okay. I can multiply 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, and here 1 by 100, 1 by 100. It doesn't change. Okay. So anyway, this is of the, so what you written in the notes, I don't know. You should be having this and whatever this. Okay. So everything we cannot write it, whatever I tell orally, it's not possible that everything should be presented on the paper. You have to just remember some of them. Okay. Okay. So whatever I'm telling, you should write in the notes. It will give you some idea. Okay. So next question. Express following matrix, or I can better write express following matrices as product of two 3x3 non-identity matrices. Non-identity matrices. Okay. This is a question. Okay. Express following matrix as product of two 3x3 non-identity matrices. Okay. First question. The previous one is also you can first question, but I'm just calling this informally. A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. A square plus B square plus C square, A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power. A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4, A power 5 plus B power 5 plus C power 5. A minus x whole square, A minus y whole square, A minus z whole square, B minus x whole square, B minus y whole square.
So should we leave place for answer?
Yeah.
Continue?
No, you should not continue. You should leave some place for writing answer. I'm just giving two questions so that if somebody completes the first one, they will try the second. Write only first question, think about it. Okay.
Sir, in the second Roman, second column, that is y, sir. Second question.
This one, yeah. It should be 1 minute. Yeah, this is all y. Yes.
Okay.
A minus x, A minus y, A minus z, B minus x, B minus y, B minus z, C minus x.
Sir, once can you read first question, sir?
A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square, A
Yes,
cube plus B cube plus C cube.
Yes, sir.
This is again A square plus B square plus C square, A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4. A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4, A power 5 plus B power 5 plus C power 5. It is a pattern, so you can easily identify. Even if you don't understand a particular letter, I'm sure you can see the pattern and catch it. Okay. Feel free to tell the answer. Anybody? How to write it as product of two?
Sir, can I tell the answer of the first one, sir?
Yes. But I should be able to see. I'm only seeing the black screen.
Sir, this.
Can I tell the answer?
Okay, there is.
1152. Yes, sir.
Okay, there is.
Yes, sir. The two 3x3 matrices are A. First one, sir, I'm telling by rows. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube, sir. Second one, I'm telling by column, sir.
Okay.
1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, sir.
Okay, good. Yes. Anybody want to tell anything different other than what there is told? It is possible to tell
So
if you
can
want.
you tell second question?
You want me to read it? A minus x whole square, A minus y whole square, A minus z whole square, B minus x whole square, B minus y whole square, B minus z whole square, C minus x whole square, C minus y whole square, C minus z whole square. Okay, anyone want to tell answer for second one? You are free. First one you want to tell different answer also, you are welcome.
I will. Can I?
Yes, Sonika, you want to tell second one or first one different answer?
First one different answer.
Okay, tell.
First matrix in order wise 1, 1, 1.
Okay.
A, B, C. A square, B square, C square. Second matrix, I will tell in column wise, sir.
Okay.
A, B, C. A square, B square, C square. A cube, B cube, C cube.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
reverse cube.
This is also correct. You're right. Okay. Anybody is not able to write like this? I'm sure many of you already wrote the answer, but anybody has difficulty in writing answer for the first one? Nandan, you could write answer for the first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I am having the difficulty.
Who is this? I think your video should be on, then I can see you.
Sir, my video is on.
Yes, Hemant, tell what you want. You're not able to write for the first one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, I'll tell you, don't worry too much. You just do one thing. Only write first row here, nothing else. Only write first row, everything else will follow. What is that first row? Can you tell me 3 elements which are there here, which are there here, which are there here? Just tell me that much.
A, B, and C.
Okay. Okay, you write ABC. Now, just with that help, it is possible to write all the columns here. Why? This into this, I should get this. Now, you tell me what should be the first column. This into this, plus this into this, plus this into this should come A plus B plus C. So, what should be the column here?
1.
1, 1, 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, something into something should give me A square, this into something here B square, this into something C square I should get. So what should I write there?
A square, B square, and C square.
Okay. Similarly, this into what is here should give me A cube, this into what is here B cube, this into what is here C cube.
Sorry,
So,
sir, that will be A, B, and C square.
these are ABC and I think these are A square, B square, C
A
square,
square,
right?
B square, and C square. Yes, sir.
Now, using these columns, you can tell what is here. Why? Because this column into this, that is, this into this should come this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now 1 into what should give me A square, 1 into what will give me B square, 1 into what will give me C square.
It will be A square, B square, and C square.
That's it. A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube. Okay, so mostly the first step is write the first row here. By looking at the first row here, first row here, first row here. Once that is done, you can identify the column. Once that is done, you can identify other rows. Okay?
Yes.
Anybody else have difficulty in writing the first one as product of 2 matrices? The previous to this, the question I gave, it is very, very obvious. Purposely I gave that question so that you can easily see. This one is a little more. Okay. Maybe this one is a little more complicated than that.
So please explain second one.
Yes, sir.
You are
You're
asking
not
me to
getting that
explain.
much.
Yes, yes. You know, see, one important part of this course is we should have enough patience. Okay. Generally, when we give homework, when we go a little higher, it is easy to say, sir, I tried, I did not get. But you have to try for a few minutes. Okay. There is a thrill when you get on your own than when teacher tells. Okay. You may be able to get it if you try. Don't think that this is something beyond you. Okay. Just a small one step ahead. That's all. Okay, at least there should be 3 things here, no? Not 2 things, no?
Sir,
Yes, Cooper, you want to tell something?
sir, can I tell the second answer, sir?
Yeah, please. Can I see you?
Sir, my internet connection is at the moment a bit unstable, sir. Can I put it on
Okay.
later, sir?
Okay, tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, for the first matrix, the first row will be A square minus 2A 1, B square minus 2B 1, and C square minus 2C 1.
Yes, okay.
For the second matrix, the first column will be 1 x x square,
Okay.
then 1 y y square, and 1 z z square.
Yes, that's good. Excellent, Cooper.
Yes, sir.
Just looking at the accent, did you stay in some foreign country for some time?
Yes, sir.
All your education is in India, or you studied abroad?
No, sir. I'm in India only. Like I was in India only from when I was born.
Okay. Your accent is good, the way pronunciation and all that. That's why I'm asking.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. You want to tell something?
Yes, sir. Can we write it as a minus 1 whole square?
I'm listening. You want to tell anything? If it's wrong or right, you want to tell something, feel free. Don't worry.
No,
right
sir,
or wrong.
like what I'm thinking is, as Brett Cooper told, he abbreviated that form, so like a minus 1 whole square. In the same way, we can take it as.
Yes. You want to tell something? Tell me what is the first row, what is the second row. You want to tell it. As I said, there is not unique answer. There are infinite answers for this question. Okay. I expanded the whole thing. A minus B whole square formula here, everything. Right? Okay. Now, anyway, once answer is told, things are very, very easy. But still, does anybody notice some three things here? Here, same three things here also, same three things here also, same three things here also. Anybody want to tell anything like that?
Sir, a square.
Yes, Mukund, you can find a square.
2a.
But I want two more. Yeah, 2a.
A square, 2a.
Minus 2a, 1.
Yeah, a square you can tell 2a or minus 2a. But here they are different. But still we want one element which is there same. So that you have to get an idea. Yes, exactly. 1 into x square you write, 1 into y square and 1 into z square. You imagine like that and write 1. So you have to get a feeling that it is like a square minus 2a, but something is not here. Why not take 1? Hemant, is it clear that these three elements are there everywhere in the first row?
Yes.
Okay. So you are saying, Induhasini, that you want to tell something different?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now, I think once you tell first row, I think we can easily tell what are these columns, because this into this should come a square, so I should take 1. This into this should come minus 2x, I should take x here. This into this I should get x square, so let me write that. Similarly, this into this should give me this, so 1y y square, 1z z square. And with the same pattern, I think we can easily make out b square minus 2b 1, c square minus 2c is 1. So it's all about just looking at the pattern. Some three elements will find here, here, here. They will be the first row. Once you decide the first row, you can decide the columns. Once that is over, you can decide other rows. Anybody knows some students right now studying in senior ASB in SN? Your seniors?
Excuse me, sir.
In ASB. You are asking Dheeraj, you are asking me to repeat the solution?
Yes,
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we interchange the rows of in the first matrix, all the ones in the second row and second column, and all the minus 2a's in third column, and also in the right?
Yeah, you want to say you want to interchange these two here and you want to interchange these two.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are right. That's actually when I told that I can write many infinite answers. I just said putting minus, dividing with 2, multiply with 2. One more
Same
thing.
Answer I did that, but when Brett Cooper said that, you said exactly correct, so I did not say.
Anyway, in the beginning, I made this statement. There's no unique way to represent. There are many ways to represent. Okay. So you wrote this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. That is also good. Nothing wrong. Okay. If you want, I'll just interchange. Not a problem. I can put. Yes. 1 minute. 1 1 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c, and x square y square z square x y z will get exactly same. No difference. Yes, Cooper, you want to tell something?
Sir, for the second matrix, sir, for the bottom row, like instead of the first matrix, the third column, instead of keeping the minus signs over there, can we even keep it in the bottom row of the second matrix?
Bottom, yes, you can. Anything, for example, I can remove this minus here, put it here. I can remove this 2 here and put it here also. Is that you're talking about something like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it can be done. Okay. That is the reason actually we are able to write infinite answers. That is, you can interchange some rows here, interchange some columns here. We'll keep on getting many things. Or you can multiply 1000 here, divide with 1000 here. Multiply with minus here, divide with minus here. Multiply with 5 here, divide with 5. But anyway, I'll explain once again for the Dheeraj is asking. Okay, Dheeraj, it's very, very simple. You know that when you multiply two matrices, first row into first column will come here. First row into second column will come here. First row into third column will come here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means these three elements, when you multiply these two, those three elements will be there here. When you multiply these two, those three elements will be there here. When you multiply these two, those three elements will be there here. So if you can identify what are the three elements which are present here, present here, present here, then you are able to decide what is the first row here. So can you tell me some element which is there? Three elements, they're here, they're here, they're here.
Sir, a square minus 2a.
Yeah.
So the third element and
third element you are not able to tell. So I'll write x square into 1 here, y square into 1 here, z square into 1. Now,
okay.
Now we can make it 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once you know this, we can easily tell what is the first column, because this into this should come a square, so it should be 1. This into this should come minus 2x, this should be x. This into this should come x square, so this should be x square. This into this should come this a square 1. This into this should come this, which is y. This into this should come this, which is y square. I'm sure once you find a pattern, you can easily tell the other one is this. Here the other one is this. Here other one is this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
Anybody else have difficulty, how to guess what are these two? I hope everybody clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third question. All of you know about sin A plus B, sin A minus B, those formulas, or some of you don't know?
We know, sir.
Sir, we know.
One, sir.
Compound angles in trigonometry. Sin A plus B formula, sin A minus B formula.
No, sir.
Sir,
Can you say
compound angles we don't know.
It's okay. If you don't know, no problem. Still, I can give a question without that. Not a big issue. Leave that. I'll give you a question. Okay. So I'm erasing this and going to give another one. Okay. Third question. I need big place to write. Cos A cos P plus sin A sin P. Cos A cos Q plus. You don't need to know trigonometry. Don't worry. Just you can do normal. Cos A cos R plus sin A sin R. Cos B cos P. Sin B sin P. Cos B cos Q. Sin B sin Q. Cos B cos R and sin B sin R. Cos C cos P. Cos C cos Q. Sin P. Cos C cos Q and sin C and sin Q. Cos C cos R and sin C sin R. Okay, you have to write it as product of two matrices. Two 3x3 matrices, none of them should get into matrix.
So what is the third row?
Cos C cos P plus cos C sin P. Cos C cos Q plus sin C sin Q. Cos C cos R plus sin C sin R. If anybody, any part of this is not legible to you, tell me, I'll read it for you.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in the
In the
third
third row,
it
first
should
one.
be sin C.
Oh, okay. Thank you. This should be sin C only. Because the pattern should follow. So cos C plus sin C, sin C. Yes, you're right. Thank you.
Sir?
Yes, please. You want to tell the answer? Tell.
Yes. First matrix, I will tell row wise. Sir. Cos A, sin A, 0.
Yes. Yes, correct.
Cos B, sin B, 0. Cos C, sin C, 0.
Okay.
Second matrix, I will tell column wise. Sir.
Okay.
Cos P, sin P, 0. Cos Q, sin Q, 0.
Yes.
Cos R, sin R, 0.
Yes, correct. So only getting that zero idea only is important here. Otherwise, it is easy. I think everybody can see here what is that common in the first row. Same cos A is there everywhere. Same sin A is there everywhere. But one more thing is required, is not there. So one may worry how to get it. You take it 0 if not there. What is the difference? So that is exactly. That's good, Sonika. Cos A, sin A 0. Cos B, sin B 0. Cos C, sin C 0. And cos P, sin P 0. Cos Q and the sin Q 0. And cos R and the sin R 0. Actually, if you write zeros here, it is not necessarily write zeros here. You can write 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 7 here, 9 here. Okay, because after all, 0 into anything is 0, na? But anyway, you want to write it 0, not.
Sir, can we write 1?
Yeah. No, you cannot write 1, 1, 1 here, 1, 1, 1 here, because plus 1 will come. Either this should be 0 or this should be 0. One of them has to be 0. Other one you can do whatever. What you take here, I don't mind, but this into this, this into this, this into this. All of them should come 0. Okay, actually, as I said, this concept is multiplication of matrix only. It will come little later, where we have to find determinant of a matrix. If you want to find determinant of this huge matrix is difficult. You can take this determinant into this determinant, but this det is 0 because one row is 0. Okay, so this whole det is 0. Straight away we can say that. So for that we'll use it later on in determinant. I thought anyway we talked about multiplication, so I'm using. I'm trying to ask it this time.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I don't know what is a determinant, sir. Once can you explain what is?
No. Our next topic is that only. Okay, we are in the second exercise of IP, multiplication of matrices. Third exercise is about transpose. The fourth exercise is about determinants. I'm going to discuss for a week in detail. Okay.
Okay. In second exercise, you mean that you are in 3B, sir? 3B.
Yeah, we are in 3B. Yes, right.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'm going to give homework as 3B today. I was about to announce at the end of the class.
Sir, this first sum is there, sir. Without zeros, answer will not be this.
Yeah, it's not possible. That means you can write this and write some other numbers, but either zeros should be here or zero should be here. One of the, either this column or this will have to be zeros. So I don't think we can avoid. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give another question.
Sir, why can't you put one?
Why can't?
One, sir.
Oh, you want to put, let us say, once here and even once here. This plus this will get plus 1. Now, where is plus 1 here? Not there, right? Okay, that's why it has to be 0. Okay. What I'm going to give is a little difficult question. If you are not able to get idea, don't be discouraged. All right. Just try it. Sometimes after trying for a few minutes, we feel like better search tells it will be better. No. Okay. You keep on trying. I want to give you enough time. Next question. Is this the fourth one? I think in this. Okay. 2. A plus B plus C plus D and AB plus CD. Here A plus B plus C plus D. 2 times A plus B into C plus D. This is AB into C plus D, CD into A plus B. This is AB plus CD. This is AB into C plus D and CD into A plus D. And 2 ABCD. Okay. You have to write it as product of 2 matrices. None of them should be identity matrix. Okay. This may not be as easy as the previous one. If you get idea, it is easy. Everything is, if you get that idea, it is just one step. If you don't get, it looks like it.
Sir, means you said that one of them can be identity matrix.
No, nothing should be identity. If one of them is identity, other one is as it is now.
Okay, sir, understood.
Sir, in the exam, if they don't mention, sir, can we give one as identity matrix?
Yeah, obviously we can give, nothing wrong.
Yes, sir.
So, what is an identity matrix?
Oh, identity matrix is when I told about diagonal matrix, I said when all the diagonal elements are 1, rest of the 0, okay, like this is called identity matrix. And what is the specialty of this? Any matrix into this will give you that matrix only. That's what it is called identity matrix.
Okay.
I told you to read the first 7 points. Have you read that in our mains material?
Yes, sir.
After Saturday's class, I said read the first 7 points.
Yes, sir.
And I'm asking this girl who asked me. I did not see your name. What is your name?
Yes, sir. Sakshi.
Sakshi. Okay. Sakshi, you are from which state? Natively?
Natively, I'm from Rajasthan, sir, but I'm here only in Nagaram.
Okay, from childhood. Okay, all right.
Yes, sir.
You can speak Rajasthani language?
A little.
Okay. Saikiran, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. If first row is not helping you to get an idea, you can use second row. If that is not helping you, can use third row.
So, do we need to first expand this?
Up to you. I don't know. I'm not giving an idea. You want to expand it, you want to split it, whatever you want to, but I want it should be written as product of. Okay.
So, does it necessarily be square matrix or it can be anything?
I want square matrix, but if you don't want to give square matrix also, I don't mind. If you want to give non-square matrices, I don't mind.
Okay.
Actually, in the question I said in the beginning, it should be product of 2 3x3 matrices only. But you want to give non 3x3 also, I don't think so. I think now we can understand the first question that I gave in this is very easy question, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not in a rush. I'll wait to think about it, to try. If it doesn't work out, try to change a little bit here and there and retry it.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, my answer is for the first matrix 3 into 3.
Okay.
First row 1, 1, 0.
Okay.
A plus D.
Hmm.
C plus D. C plus D.
You want to tell C plus D? Okay. All right.
A plus B.
Hmm.
0.
Hmm.
CD.
Hmm.
AB.
Hmm.
0.
Hmm.
Sir, again 1.
Hmm. You are telling column or row?
Column, sir.
Okay.
1, 1, 0.
Okay.
A plus B. C plus D. 0.
Hmm.
AB. CD. 0.
Okay. Moni, that is excellent. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You don't believe, but I have a sentiment. Okay. You know what is that? I teach this every year, at least from 22 years. Okay. Every year I ask question, I'll give time 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Whoever told me the answer first, till now everybody went into IIT without fail. Okay. Somehow it is sentiment. You can ask your seniors, any section that I taught, they will tell you this. Okay. And only 1 year I'm little scared that my sentiment will not follow, because there was one girl, her name is Jasmine Rose or something like that. I forgot Jasmine Rose only, her name. Okay. She was not doing that well. I thought, but she told this answer when I told first time when I taught. But I don't know suddenly what happened. She got IIT rank. She joined IIT route. Okay. So last 22 years, it never failed. So I hope you will also go into IIT. Okay. You can ask any one of your seniors in this sense. They will tell you every year I asked this and without fail, everybody went some rank. Okay. Anyway, it is not that because of this question, it's happening every year like that for me. Okay. Very good. Excellent. Here's the problem. Yes, please.
Sir, I got the last row, but I couldn't calculate the rest.
Okay. All right. It's okay. Not a problem. All right. I'm sure 1 or 2 minutes you would have got already. This is just.
So, sir, how should we calculate it?
See, there is no, like a fixed rule how to do like this. It gives an overall idea. Okay. So, what the main part is, just 2 minutes. Okay. Writing this 2ABCD as ABCD plus ABC. Writing these two things as A plus B into C plus D, and again A plus B into C plus D. Right? Okay. Now see, there is AB here, there is AB here, there is AB here. And there is CD here, there is CD here, and there is CD. Okay? So first of all, you have to split that 2ABCD like this one like this. And first row is not giving a good idea in this question. Third row is giving a little better idea. All right. So normally I told you till now, first you write this, then you write these things. But now I'll tell you, first you write this, then you write these things. Okay. You can see AB here, AB here, AB here. So that's why AB here or here, one of the places you write. CD here, CD here, CD here. So you can write CD here. Okay. But third one is missing. Like previous question we are seeing, if something is missing, it is nothing wrong to write 0, right? Okay. So please understand, I'm starting with third row. Okay. So I'm only writing, I can even interchange these two. I'm only writing CD here, AB here, 0 here, nothing else. Okay. So if somebody has doubt about how to write this answer, is this third row okay or any objection?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you know third row, Himabindu, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So once you know third row as CD, AB and 0, with this you can tell the first row. CD into what should come? Only CD, so I should write 1. AB into what should come? Nothing, so 1. And 0, here you can write anything, so right. Next, coming to this, CD into what should be written here? CD into A plus B. AB into what should be written here to get this? C plus D, 0. Because this into this should be this. Next, coming to this, CD into AB is required. AB into CD is required, 0. If you could not get within the time, don't worry. I'm sure if I would have given some more time, if you have not told the answer in front of everybody, I'm sure you would have got it after some time. Sakshi, is it clear that we are able to identify third row and based on that we are able to write this much? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now going back, how to get the second row for this one. One is here, one is here. So we want this, or look at this and then look at this, or look at this and this. AB into what is required? C plus D. CD into what is required? A plus B, 0. And then this here, this two also should get an idea to write 1 plus 1. So it is 1, 1, 0, or based on this or based on this. By the way, this is a past IIT question as it is. Given in JEE advanced, IIT exam, that is advanced exam.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Are such questions asked in IP too?
Sorry, I did not get. Can you repeat the question?
Means these questions
type
are
of
all
questions are they asked in IP exam also, sir?
No. See, as I told you, maybe in the video first class, in IP exam, they don't give any question outside the IP textbook. They'll give directly as it is from the textbook only. If this is there in the textbook, they can ask. They're not there in the textbook. I'm just telling. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometime I'll try to send all the previous board question papers of AP state syllabus so that you'll get an idea of what are the questions that come. Right now, it is not required, so I'm not sending. Okay. All right. So I'll put a clear-cut message after this class. I don't want to extend the time. I'll stop it in 2 minutes. What I want to tell everybody is you have to try second exercise, exercise 1B. In maths and determinants, 1A you tried, exercise 1B you should try. But so in that, 3B also. 3A you completed, exercise 3B you should try. But in 3B, there are three sections, section 1, section 2 and section 3. There is a good chance that you may not be able to do section 3 or I have to explain something about section 3. So if you can complete minimum first 2 sections, that will be nice. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, tomorrow also I'll tell a little bit about multiplication and then go further. So if somebody is not able to complete by tomorrow morning class, it's okay. But by tomorrow evening, you should complete exercise 3B. Okay. And in the mains, we discussed up to question number 21. Na?
Yes, sir, 21. Yes,
okay,
sir.
So you have to complete even numbers up to 20. Okay.
Sir, we should submit the even number questions.
See, submission part I'll tell you. Okay. When I give homework, don't ask when to submit. That I will tell you. That means you have to finish in one day. When to submit, where to submit, I'll announce accordingly. Is it okay?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I got a notification that we need to submit 3A exercise.
Yes, correct. Exercise 3A, everybody should submit in Class Plus app. Because first time somebody may face some technical issues. If you are not able to submit an app, you submit to me in WhatsApp, to my personal number. But as far as possible, try that app so that
some of the students already used the app in Bridge course, sir.
Yeah, that's why they know it already. Okay, fine. So try to use that app and submit in the app. If you are not able to, then submit to me in WhatsApp for this time. All right. Okay, we'll stop the class.
Sir,
Homework. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, actually, today only I'm attending the special batch class, sir, because before 2 classes I attended in advance, sir. So
okay, no problem. You just send your name.
Yes, sir. My name is SR Dheeraj, sir.
No. Later on in WhatsApp, you know my number, right? Or you don't know?
Yes, sir. I know your number, sir.
Okay. You send your name and roll number to me.
Okay, sir.
No, you send your phone number, admission number, name to me. Last 2 classes link I'll send you. That classes I took, I recorded it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Is that you are asking, or you are asking anything else?
Yeah, that thing only, sir. Previous classes, what happened, I wanted to know, sir.
Yeah, I recorded every day's class, so I'll send you that link. You can just see in the YouTube.
Sir, okay. I too wanted it, sir. I too joined.
Whoever wants, send a message to me in WhatsApp. I'll send the links. All right.
Sir, can you tell me your number, sir?
Yeah. 9652823446. My name is S. Satish.
అక్క నీకు నంబర్ చెప్తాను ఫోన్ 965 ఫోన్ చేయ కదా నార్మల్ 965
Venkat, mute yourself. Sai Venkat.
Sir, where can I find those exercises, sir?
Okay, 1 minute, just a minute.